What matters most when buying a truck?
The towing capacity and what you are going to be towing with the truck. Not only that, but if you are going to need two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, and what you are going to be using the four-wheel drive for, if it's going to be a lot of off-road usage. The features that you can get in them as well, if it's just going to be a work truck or a farm truck, you're not going to need that much. Also, the resale value on our Tacomas and Tundras are amazing, so if you're looking for anything specific, I would say the Tacomas and the Tundras are your best in the price and the value of the vehicles.